I gotta check this. I can't even remember what I did now. Modes. All right, so, all right, 2 is at 48 and 25. 3 is the one with the generator breaking off. I wasn't even in 3. All right, the generator breaking off in 3. Oh, the amount of stuff you're gonna do on these are just insane. Oh my gosh, yeah, freewheels. Whoa. Yeah, so that's a little too much freewheel in 3 for me. So I think I'm gonna change it now, if I can with my glove on here. Let's change it to 20. Oh wait, wrong one. Let's change it to 20. Let's go with, yeah, 20. Horsepower's at 48. Let's try that. Okay, I still think I'd like a little more engine braking than that. Still a little freewheelish, but I'll give it a minute. Into this 180. Freaking Chinese junk! Didn't want, oh, he splashed me. Still a little more freewheely than I like. Changing the regenerative braking modes.
Yeah, I need to figure out how to do that on mine.
Yeah, we do.
Doesn't have any right now.
It's completely freewheeling?
Yeah.
Huh.
You have to like press some and then hold something. And
really? Oh, oh crap.
You hit this on that?
No.
This thing's sketchy, bro.
This?
This jump right here.
Oh yeah. You don't have a whole lot of room. You have to kind of hit it, like land right there. Yeah. I mean, I jump it on my 450, but it's just so much different, man. I don't know. All right, we'll try a lap on that. I've got regenerative on 25 now. Trying to find that sweet spot, you know?
Yeah, let's see if you can keep up with me.
Yeah, right, buddy. boner air. I'll figure it out though. It's gonna take some getting used to. I'm gonna hit that rock every lap. Oh. Kind of like this 25, might need a tad more. Gosh, you can cut those so sharp. Whoa. You have to be careful flipping this thing off the tops of jumps because you will get wheel spin. What up, dog? I really need to jump this thing. I really need to just man up and jump that. I think my sweet spot on the regenerative is going to be somewhere between 25 and 30. I really do. Haven't even begun to play with the horsepower yet. It's going to be for another day. I think that got saved, didn't it? Yes, it did. Okay. I don't know though, 30 doesn't feel bad. If you're lazy and you don't feel like braking as much. Definitely eats the battery out here with these elevation changes, dude.
Oh yeah.
I was already down at 14%.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just cooling on 73 over here.
Must be nice, buddy. I want to jump that double so bad.
Oh, you got it.
I know, it's just so sketching me out, dude.